Guys, welcome to the great city of Arzamas. First time I ever heard about it. I'm Igor Russia and I'm on an expedition all the way to the edge of the European and Asian border through Russia. 3 weeks trip. Guys, let me just tell you, I'm a foreign traveler to Russia, so push like, subscribe and become a member or just support my travels. Arzamas, the outskirts of Arzamas. Arzamas is located in the Nizhny Novgorod Oblast. Arzamas is known for its religious roots and historic monasteries. Founded in the 16th century, and the city became a prominent commercial hub. Today, Arzamas is home to several educational institutions, including branches of Nizhny Novgorod University. So the population is 104,000 and it was founded in 1578. So guys, welcome to the town and I'm gonna show you more. So push like and let's go. Welcome guys to the 6th day of traveling across Russia, all the way to the border of European and Asian continent. We're gonna see a lot of more cities. Right now, starting this morning, still in this beautiful, amazing Arzamas town, city, and I fell in love with it. It's super epic and beautiful. This is the Victory Day Square with internal flame in the back. Now, we're gonna be continuing our trip onwards, and today we are traveling to Большое Boldino, which is a place known for especially Pushkin's, yes, Russia's language's most important poet, writer. His family's mansion, and there of course we're going to see something interesting relating to Pushkin's history. And 2 days ago was the day of Russian literacy. So welcome guys, let's go. What the freaking F? What the hell is this? This is like a penthouse, 3-star penthouse. What? Okay, I'm gonna do the review in a bit, guys. I need to unpack. This is the suburbs of the great city of Oh my God, I again forgot the name. Arzamas. And I'm in the suburbs. Oh, let's go check it out. Nearby, our bus is leaving. I think I got some time. So let's go check it out. What we have here, we got people parked any way they want. You got apteka, stores. Guys, so this is day 6 for me, traveling all across Russia, all the way to the suburbs of, all the way to the edge of city of the European and Asia. Check out the doggy here. Both of them. 2 dogs. You got typical Soviet suburb buildings. This is maybe, well, basically probably 80s. Fairly good, decent benches, because usually in Russian suburbs and or let's say some city suburbs, they look a bit rough. Oh, kitty. Идешь сюда. Эй. Ой, ты домой? Ну что ты? Эй. Да. She wants to go in. Потом откроет, чтобы... Стой. Не, откроет скоро. Alright, I wanted to let her in. Somebody's gonna come out and she's gonna go in. It's alright. This is normal. They let cats go around. Differences with the bigger cities. This is like 5-story building. Looks nice, it looks clean. And this is 106,000 people, provincial city. Typical thing that local babushka or a lady work on. So let's go inside the suburbs right here. Yesterday, if you want to see the city center, which was epic. Guys, the city was epic. It was so beautiful, I was shocked. And this is a small town, this is a small city, 100,000 people. You get some karamushka, how you call it. Let's go through here. The only difference with bigger cities, you won't have these type of roads in the suburbs. These are old, beaten. You won't see this type of parking. That's a very provincial. And also, guys, I don't know. I know you cannot smell this, but the smell is very like we in the countryside. That is something that I remember from my grandma's place. That is so cool. This is for mattresses. Mattresses. Of course, some balconies look very worn down. Side building. And these are all Soviet, guys, like 100%. Trash area, really common. Beautiful, birds singing. This is like typical suburbs. There's you got smaller houses. Hold up. Next phase on a day 6 of my road trip from Helsinki, Большое Boldino. I think I have to run. Epic Arzamas suburbs. Check it out. Right now, starting this morning, still in this beautiful, amazing Arzamas town, city, and I fell in love with it. It's super epic and beautiful. This is the Victory Day Square with internal flame in the back. So right now, guys, we are looking at Park imени Gaidara, the park in the name of Gaidar. A beautiful looking location. The city just amazes you, guys, amazes you. 9th of May, the Victory Day Parade, and I had the huge honor of visiting the Great Red Square Victory Parade this year and film it, the entire Victory Day Parade, and that was the huge, biggest honor like ever. Go check out my channel. Park Gaidara, it says. Here it goes. It's a huge area, actually. Wow, check it out. There's a meeting. They're teaching dogs to be obedient. You got Central Alley, Sports Alley. You got Historical Alley and also the Children's Alley, and they are all located in the different locations here. Guys, right here in the Central Alley, there's a huge statue in the back which I cannot make out of, but it's very dynamic. Извините, тут магниты никто не продает на какой-то киоск или магниты? Ну, туристические. Нету, блин. Nice park, guys, simply awesome. But I'm trying to find the shopping mall, but I think it's way too far. Man, I'm not able to run there. There's nothing you can do. Man, amazing little city. Really like it. It's like an amusement park, semi-amusement park, very Soviet-like. Shopping mall was too far. We're going back because you don't often get to see Arzamas like this, guys. This is seriously unique thing. You got park food, it says. You got little stores here and there, preparing for a nice Sunday. Билетная касса, children's playground, bigger one, huge one. Билетная касса. This is where they sell the tickets. Coffee to go from a machine. Not bad at all, guys. Для уверенности на дороге. They teach to drive, kids to drive. Well, it's a game, but still. This is super Soviet. Alright, guys, leaving the Arzamas. Without a magnet, I feel bad, but I have memories, guys. That's something you cannot take from me. Nice little detail, by the way, in the back of this memorial. And then you have turret, cannon, and Герои Советского Союза, heroes of Soviet Union. The busts of heroes of Soviet Union. Some died during the war, some lived a long, healthy life. This one lived all the way to 2011. Wow, that's so powerful. Right here, and hold on, let me tell you where we are. This place is Lukoyanov. Lukoyanov, here we are. Улица Пушкина. And this is река Теща. Alright, little quick stop. We are entering the Pachinkovsky Okrug, and it's truly beautiful. Check out the little lake over there, guys. ДПС для нас прям?
Да.
Реально?
Конечно.
Guys, we have arrived to Pushkin's place where he wrote a lot of his work.
Приветствую вас на обочине земли Человек. Друзья, я приветствую всех на обочине земли рода Пушкиных. Разрешите представиться, Александр Сергеевич. А ваши имена я сам угадаю. Дайте мне только переводы ваших имен с любого языка мира на русский, а я с Божьей помощью продемонстрирую силу образования Царско-сельского лицея. Кто не знает, гуглите. Прошу, кто знает значение, да. Великий, это вы? Чье, мужское имя или женское? Хорошо. Великий на каком языке? На арабском или на каком-то другом? Значение со словом великий и все с арабского. Кабир не подходит? Тогда ладно, вы загуглите, посмотрите все-таки с какого языка. Не, посмотрите, может это не арабский, потому что великий. Если на латыни величайший это Максим, но это латынь уже, да. Победа. Вы кто? Виктория?
Да.
Да, это латынь. В Персии вы Дарья, а в арабских странах вы Мансура, потому что Мансура победительница, но с арабского. Если говорить в Греции, Ника. Да.
Эдуард.
Хранитель имения, страж богатства с германского.
Отлично.
Эдуард. Да, дальше. А вы не
Игорь.
надо называть имя, называйте перевод.
Они там